Hey everyone, Will with Blue Water here to kick off the new year. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the new Kraken Solar Flare Mini 12,000s. These are a huge jump from the previous edition of the Solar Flare Minis, which were 8,000 lumens. These lights come packed with a bunch of new features, really improving upon that Kraken 8,000 Solar Flare Mini at the same cost of $899. I'm a really big fan of these lights. They come now with a vacuum sealed battery pack, so that's just another level of added security. And on top of that, in terms of flood-free security, the head of the light is its own unit. So if by any chance you were to flood the battery pack or the light in general, the only thing you would need to be replaced would be the battery, and the battery compartment, the light head, which is the most expensive part, remains intact. Another thing I really like about these lights is the upgraded lumen output. 12,000 is a big jump from 8,000, so it's really going to improve your video and give you a lot more dynamic creativity with your videos. Another added feature for this light is that it has a burst mode. So you might be aware of the Kraken 5000 WSR Plus or the 3500. These now have a burst mode, so you can actually attach a fiber optic cable to this light and it will burst, not a true strobe, but a brighter video light, which will be a higher lumen output, so more akin to a strobe, though still a video light. Check out our newsletter for more info. We have a ton of information on this new light. Can't wait to get it in the water. I'm super excited for it. Vacuum sealed, bigger lumen output at the same price of $899. And definitely shoot us an email at sales@bluewaterphotostore.com if you have any questions at all, or check us out at www.bluewaterphotostore.com.